this a whirl. Move to a different spot. This spot's usually got some tarpon in it, some small snook, so we'll see what happens. This is kind of like the only kind of fishing you can really do. This is like backcountry fishing, get you out of the wind. Sometimes you can catch some fish. It's cold, that's for sure. That water, oh my goodness. Getting this some sensitive areas right now. Just gotta get used to it. Oh, there's a fish. Little snook. I think. Yeah. Not bad. Backcountry. Get a lot of little guys like this. Keeps you busy. Like I said, normally on a day like today, be sitting at home doing nothing. Get some little guys like this. Pretty. Look how silvery and translucent this one is. Wow, absolutely beautiful little fish. Amazing. See you, dude. Oh, jumps like a bass. Tide's going out. Water's still kind of deep here. So I am definitely chicken winging it a little bit to make it happen. You guys don't know what chicken winging is. It's keeping your elbows up like chicken wings. Try to keep yourself out of the water. If this doesn't work out, I have one more spot, but it's kind of a haul. And in this wind, it's probably going to suck to get there, but usually I can get some good fish there. So I don't know, we'll see what happens. Alright, so check it out. Fishing with a Doa Cal, root beer chartreuse, 1/8 ounce Strike King jig head. Little short piece of 30-pound, actually I think it's 40-pound fluorocarbon. That doesn't work out. We'll switch over to the Zoom. But with the water being as cold as it is, I'm trying to get a little bit deeper down in the water column than the Zoom can get, so we'll see. Tarpon don't really like wind either, so if you look for slicked out spots and stuff on a windy day, sometimes that's where you'll end up finding them. Winter can be really good, and sometimes winter can be really difficult, especially when the weather's like this. Now we're gonna be chicken wing good back here. I got it. That's a good one. That's a good one. I think I got him foul hooked. I do have him foul hooked. 100% have him foul hooked. I foul hooked him good. It's gonna be fun. I got one. Counts. I'm calling it a count. Boy, I foul hooked him good. Okay. Swiped at it. I ended up getting him in the body a little bit there. Sorry, dude. Alright, dude. He's really green. Just because of the way I hooked him. I got him in. Let's get this out of you. Sorry, dude. My bad. My bad. My bad, dude. Jeez Louise. Come on. sorry, dude. I mean to mess you up there. Alright. I don't know how long I'm going to be able to hold this guy. He's so green. Nice little poon. Get her done. Foul hooked him, but I'm taking it, right? Look, wow, he's so pretty. These colors are freaking awesome. Just glows. That silver and that dark back. Super cool. Oh, dude. Easy, easy. I'll let you go. Alright. Go let him go. He's ready. Just went right in between my legs. At least I found him, right? Wasn't exactly the way I wanted to catch it, but yeah, I can't help that sometimes. Let's go. Alright, Clint. Yeah, that's a nice fish. That's definitely a nice fish. This one hooked in the mouth, boys. Hopefully we can keep him hooked. Oh, come on, dude. Got a lot of drag on him. But he's hooked good. He's hooked good. Oh, come on. Nice backcountry tarpon. Good, dude. Get me all wet. Come on. Oh, there he goes. He was hooked good. Got me all soaked. It's alright. It is what it is. There we go. That'll work. I knew there was a tarpon right there. Jeez Louise. One more way up. Come here, dude. Come here, dude. I must have changed. Came up to the front. In the boat. Oh, that's bad. Oh, out the boat. See you later, dude.